be teaching you how to put the line on a fishing pole. The materials you're going to need are fishing line, open face fishing reel, and a fishing pole. First, what you're going to do is you're going to put the end of the fishing line through the first hole. You're going to keep putting it through until you're all the way at the bottom. Once you're at the bottom, you're going to flip up the bail, and then you're going to tie a knot around the circle. After you get that on, you test to make sure it's tight. And then you flip down the bail, then you start reeling. Okay, now what you're going to need is you're going to need a partner to hold the line while you reel it in. Okay, start reeling, but you don't want to reel too much because then you'll overflow it. You want to get it just about in line with the circle that you can feel if you put your finger down like this. You want it right there. You don't want it too overfull though. So you start reeling. Make sure you keep watching, because you don't want to overfill it. Okay, that's good. In conclusion to this video, I taught you how to put the line on a fishing pole. Thanks for watching.